We are determined to make sure the country moves forward. Despite all other difficulties, we'll make sure our counties, especially Gusii and Nyamira, we are at the forefront. Again, also we're equal to the task to make sure as a country we have leaders from here in Gusii ama Gusii land to be at the helm of leadership of this country. We had one of our own, Matiangi. I know he'll come at the right time. We will be with him. We have other leaders who will join the race for 2027. And we are determined to make sure the leadership of this country, one day, one time, the leadership of Gusii, Nabotokorano and NC. No inaba Israel baraba sinini murocenge njwago sunyunda abantu ba mass mweno gali na Palestine na intwe into aba Israel tutigaritense inchebuno mwanachama vice chairman ya ODM nkomeke tole sure twarosie kiama baba ngogenda reyu lakini tatayetika kogenda atotigere na into kobokoga mo wancha boyo aba kusibama inzukuruga mpaka bugirango mate lazima tubwatane tugende muto mondo tabasa koleta se gigati asabantu bayitunganya na keroka muchando nororo ya tutege tomulembo bororo abantu bakole biashara onye chibesa chigo chaganya mira chikole gas nchiriegwa onye chiko enda Gusii chikole gas nchiriegwa abantu baito ekyaro butaka bole asabantu baito nobo nene teko nyalekana bono igakanga abantu negasi bakale orocha abantu ngakibayichirega abantu babinto nchebuno mono gegomo Gusii ninde determined to make sure egasi yabe omweshimiwa